Let's get Cramer's Mad Dash for this Friday. Countdown to the bell.
As part of that former year of magical investing, companies came public and they seemed interesting, but they tended to be a little more risky than we thought. StubHub, CNBC, good article, stock tanks 20%. As CEO says, it's not giving guidance for current quarter. Now, Warren Buffett didn't give guidance either. But this is what happens when you report an okay quarter, you come public, and you don't really have a great story to tell, and then you don't give guidance right out of the chute. Now, I am absolutely sure there's value here at some point. It's just that it's been a bust, and once you become a busted IPO, it's very hard to change the narrative, so to speak. And you can read what the company says, and you think, wow, this is like the greatest story ever told. If you think that, go by Live Nation.
I mean, back here, we were talking about experiences and the high end paying up for secondhand tickets. You think this is a comment on what's happening right now?
I think it's a comment on their inability to operate a business successfully. Live Nation stock has come down, but I would buy that stock on the decline because they are very, very good at what they do. I think the experiential economy has taken a bit of a hit. But I know, and by the way, I know that American Express would indicate that that's not the case.
Right.
I think that Royal Caribbean's come down too much. I kind of like that. But the experience, right now, people are saying, whoa. I mean, everyone's saying whoa.
Whoa.
Okay? And I'm going to come out and say no whoa very soon.
Really?
Or for the companies that are really good executors, because there's a lot of money still around, and we're going to get away from the negative moment of the government shutdown soon.
You think the shutdown had a lot to do on sentiment, even though, as a fraction of the workforce, it's a sliver.
No, I mean, if you went to the airport, you really regretted that you took a trip. Yeah. Whatever trip you thought was going to take 3 days took 4 days, and the fourth day your boss didn't know you weren't.
You're speaking from experience on that one.
Oh, my God. I mean, look, it was so stupid that I traveled. I went to see the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. It was supposed to go out for USC or UCLA. I signed bottles at Total Wine, and then I spent more time in the airport than I did in Los Angeles. And I didn't plan that.
Yes.
If you traveled during this period, you said, I'm canceling my plan to Disney World. Oh, Disney World.
We'll get